So over here you can see that I have strikingly opened up, and here in this particular website you can see that I have different pages. So I can go ahead onto the courses pages or testimonial pages right here and so forth. But let's say I want to go ahead and then disable out a page. I want to hide it so that it is not accessible for the public. So to do that, you can simply go to Manage, and then you can see all of the pages right here. So what you can do now is go ahead right here onto, let's say for example, a particular page, and then just disable show in navigation. Once you do that, it gets hidden from the navigation, so it's not actually deleted right here. It's just hidden. You can simply go ahead and do that to the other page as well, and it gets hidden. So if I were to go ahead and preview out the site now right here just like this, then now what happens is that you won't be able to go ahead and see those pages right here, but it is still there on your dashboard. So if you want to go ahead and enable it, simply go ahead and click on the gear icon, and then simply go ahead and choose show in navigation, and then it will be visible again right here just like this. And this is how you can go ahead and change around the page visibility as you like, and enable or disable out a page as you like inside of the sites that you build using Strikingly. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.